watching?
Wolfman Jack.
All right, we're gonna come visit you.
Hi guys, you're watching awesome documentary Sturgis 2025.
Debut from
Sturgis Rally 2025! We're gonna take shots?
Oh, it's free lemonade.
Like that. I like that.
What's up? Hello. What's your name?
Absolutely. I'm Audrey.
Audrey, Ricky.
Aspen.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, baby.
You got it.
Have a good time. Life is short. You know, I always say, don't waste a day of it.
Yes, you should be. I don't think I have the key.
Welcome to the 85th Sturgis Route, One-Eyed Jacks 2025. Come on down.
I was like, this outfit.
Going all the way up. Right?
Yeah. Oh, there's the bus right there. It's ready.
Last Monkey Garage, Sturgis 2025.
Might be the coolest bar in Sturgis. The Dungeon Bar. festival guide. The Buffalo Chip.
Welcome to the 2025 Sturgis Buffalo Chip.
Here tomorrow night.
I'm going to show them why. I am going to be dubbed the Queen of Sturgis when it comes to fighting, baby. Let's go.
That's what I'm talking about.
You're right. It was established in 2020.
Welcome to the Buffalo Chip Sturgis Rally 2025.
Tuesday, just to give you a reminder or a note, on Tuesday at 1 o'clock we do something.
This year, did you?
I didn't work Myrtle. I had another event actually at the same time.
How was that Miami event that you worked? Like that boat show or whatever?
I do all the boat shows. So Miami boat show, it's always a little hectic getting everything situated, but I say West Palm Beach is the best boat show if you're going to check any out.
We're gonna be getting that later, I can tell. I kind of want some right now. How late are you guys open till? 2. I couldn't resist.
Number 1, lead the ladies off stage, and thank you to Russ Brown Motorcycle Attorneys, Grunt Style, Rip Turkey, the Silverado, Franklin Casino, the Deadwood Mountain Grand.
So are you going to be on stage tonight?
Yeah, tonight I will be.
Awesome.
Yeah, on stage, doing fun stuff.
Do a wheelie. What's your favorite brand of motorcycle?
My favorite brand?
Yeah.
Harley-Davidson.
Okay.
Oh no.
It's West Bygone, Virginia. Her occupation, she's the mayor of Titty City.
doing?
Yep, it's just your video. You just keep holding it.
Oh.
Don't press a button.
Will you guys do an intro for my video? Will you say welcome to Sturgis 2025? Holding a chainsaw. So will you be competing tonight as well?
That's right. First night I'll be on the stage with ZZ Top, and we're doing a leather and lace bikini contest.
See, I'm a small town girl from Oklahoma. My daddy taught me how to shoot a gun real well. Funny enough, so I know those are kind of opposite kinds of music, but I'm familiar with so many of their songs, so many of my friends, can't wait to come out and see them too.
Like that back home.
We have native performances throughout the day. The first one's at 11:30.
Okay.
And then an optional bus tour is $5 each if you have an interest. It'll take you about treetop level around the bottom.
I'm Susie Butts.
Susie Butts?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm Ricky. Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
This is Kelly.
Hi. Well, I mean, nice to meet you.
Hills Burger and Pizza Company. I mean, yeah, Kelly said it's kind of hard to mess up burgers and pizzas, but our pizza was top notch. Here she is, Alex, everyone's favorite.
I love it. I love meeting all the people. I love getting people on mini bikes who've never ridden before, and you know, seeing them fall in love with it.
What year is it?
It's a 73 Manco. The North engine, fenders off of a 70s Cup Cadet, cloud disc as a backrest, the white stage seat.
Nice. Nice work, brother.